we have all of the moving parts that show how something very complex came and took over the city.
Anyone who was in Kansas City in 1978 remembers when the artist Christo and his partner Jeanne-Claude wrapped Luce Park in a beautiful fabric. Tell us about that.
It was a totally immersive moment, Kathleen. It was the original immersive moment as far as Kansas City was concerned. It was a time when we really grew up as a center for contemporary art because of this project that involved everything from meetings to minutes to political cartoons after the fact to the actual pieces of saffron cloth themselves that visitors will be able to see.
So we have been gifted with all of these items.
Absolutely. Thanks to the Christo and Jeanne-Claude Foundation, we have been given the materials relating to this important commission. So you can go back in time, and if you were there, you can remember. If you weren't there, you can just be jealous that you weren't here then.
It really brought the community together.
It did, and people still remember it. And it's a wonderful moment in our history and a moment worth celebrating for the future.